studio, Professor Fergus Lyon and Adeyemi Adelekan, who are experts in the field of sustainability and circular economy, will build on the discussion about what is upcycling, why it's important, and how you can use it.
I see upcycling about the reuse of materials, but it's about adding that extra value. It's looking at not only reducing waste, but also about producing materials and products that people will find beautiful, will find things that they love. So it's got a real artistic benefit from upcycling, but also it's about creating good livelihoods, good work. So having this really good social value as well. So it's bringing all these elements together.
Upcycling in the African context is more about the reusing, repurposing, remodeling of waste materials.
There's a lot looking at fashion, about reusing of materials. There's also a lot about furniture and other sort of products like that. But I think you can also look at upcycling both as producing a product, but also producing a service. And I think there's some areas of upcycling where they can be helping people develop the upcycling themselves. So that's part of the upcycling approach.
The common one in Africa will be this furniture, waste to furniture. I've seen a lot of innovative products from using waste materials. And a lot of them make use of car tires, and a lot of them also make use of fashion, clothes and paper, cardboard papers, in creating these beautiful furniture pieces, and from the ones that could be used in homes, for offices.
Well, we are in a climate emergency at the moment. We've got to change that. And this is looking at what does prosperity mean in the future? What can it mean when we want to live sustainably? We want to live well, but we want to live within our limits. So for our research, we're looking at how you can have different types of enterprise that can actually be sustainable, but also be good businesses and help us all live well. And that's where upcycling is really interesting.
The income levels in Lagos, for example, is rising generally. So it has sort of like influenced people's consumption habits. So we have this huge waste challenge on how to actually curb this menace of waste. And that's where these enterprises are doing a lot of work, because the circular economy as a concept is something that is still emerging in that part of the world. So this whole idea of upcycling, recycling is still just emerging. It's still pretty much new, and a lot of people are just embracing this concept, just getting to know what it is about, because it's a good way to sort of control this challenge of waste that we have at the moment in that part of the world.
Upcycling is a business opportunity. There's something which has a benefit there of creating businesses, creating jobs. It also has the benefit of reducing the waste. And then it can be used to reach out to disadvantaged groups, create jobs, train up people, create a lot of social benefits, working in communities as well. So not only are you looking at money you're making, you're also looking at the social benefit. You're also looking at the environmental benefits as well. So that's what we call the triple bottom line.
Upcycling as what I will call like an integrated kind of strategy. Integrated in the sense that you are pursuing economic purpose, but at the same time pursuing profit brings or solves a major environmental challenge or environmental problem. But one thing that I think stands out when it comes to upcycling is the ability to integrate as well the social aspect. How can we have an impact on the community? How can we have an impact in schools? How can we have an impact in the health sector?